Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the world and tools. Back up the world, enable cheats, and switch on experimental gameplay so custom behaviors load. Once done, create a resource pack and a behavior pack folder and add a valid manifest. JSON with unique UIDs so Bedrock recognizes them. Make sure you have Blockbench or Bridge ready to export textures, models, and particle JSON files. These tools produce Bedrock-compatible assets, which you will drop directly into the pack folders for immediate testing. Now you build the actual effects and link assets. Create particle JSON files specifying lifetime, velocity, spawn rate, size, and color, and reference your PNG textures. If you need custom geometry or animated sprites, export models and entity animations from Blockbench and reference those files from your particles or entities so the visuals match. Once assets are ready, put the packs into the Minecraft resource packs and behavior packs folders, then enable them in the world settings. This ensures Bedrock loads textures and particle definitions when you enter the world. You finish by testing and refining. Spawn your visuals with /particle and /summon so you can tweak lifetime, spread, and color in real time, and iterate until it looks right. Make performance-minded adjustments like lowering spawn rate and particle count for consoles and mobile devices so frame rate stays stable. If effects do not appear, make sure your packs are enabled and ordered correctly. Manifest versions match your Bedrock build, and that render dragon or device GPU support is active. Clearing the game cache often fixes stubborn loading issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.